Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. God bless. Gcash mo na yan.
Happy birthday sa'yo. Enjoy your very special day.
Greetings, si Mark Anthony Fernandez to. Binabati kita ng happy birthday sa'yo. God bless you always. Mabuhay ka.
Wish you a happy birthday. Have fun, take care.
Happy birthday, and I hope you guys enjoy your special day with your loved ones. Cheers.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Miss J. Sana maging masaya ang iyong kaarawan ngayon. Ingat and God bless.
Hi po, happy birthday, Miss J.
Happy birthday, Miss J. My name is Ron. Di man kita kilala personally. I hope you enjoy your birthday. More power sa'yo. God bless and good health. Hope to see you soon.
Hi Nanay! Happy birthday! And I hope na nag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Kahapon, kahit wala kang invite. Tsare. Hindi. Masaya ako na ikaw yung naging supervisor ko that was before. Nung non-boys pa lang ko yung escalation. Super thankful ako dahil ikaw yung unang taong naniwala sa kakayahan ko na kaya kong maghawak ng tao. And lahat mga tinuro mo sa akin before is natutunan ko at in-apply ko, at yun yung naging dahilan kung bakit ako nandito ngayon sa position ko. Maraming salamat dahil nagkakilala tayo. I'm so grateful dahil ang nag-iisang Nanay Joel yung tipong talagang hindi bumigay sa kahit anong problema na dumating sa ating dalawa. And I'm still, magnanay pa rin tayo.
Happy birthday, Joel. Hope you enjoyed your day and wishing you more years. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Mommy Jewel. Love you.